It's May. It's Mental Health Awareness Month. We're kicking it off in style on the Every Jam Helps a Mind tour at the Baltimore Soundstage this Saturday, May 3rd, a night of more than music. It's community, awareness, and a whole lot of fun. And it's the album release party for my friend LJR. We have backed him up with some amazing bands in the area. We have the Odd Foxes, Semantics, Pat Rennie, and Whiskey Feathers. Their messaging and what they do on stage is going to make you have so much fun you don't want to miss. So bring a friend. These bands have been inspired by legends like Peter Gabriel, Coldplay, the Arctic Monkeys, the 1975, and even Justin Bieber. We got mental health awareness and Narcan training. We're going to talk about self-care and what's really important, and even tell you a gravy recipe. Don't forget, wear your best green to show your support for Mental Health Awareness Month. That's the theme. Wear your green. Doors are at 6:30, Baltimore Soundstage. Be there. I can't wait to see you because we're all going to have a lot of fun. I promise you that.